So a pink room. You can come to the pink room bar. Come drink. See the bar over here, so. I get rid of the laptop here. I want a better laptop. Upgrade. Bam. My next laptop is this, so. Alright, see the bar there, so. Oh, I forgot put sound system in here. I put something old, so people can all time feel vibes. The speaker box them over here, so. Manners, what else I want to put in here? For party and them way and thing. Alright, she have a bar. She have well look at area, so more move this. Come out of the way. I'm gonna put one dance floor, so if good you want to go down on the floor and boss it. Spread out and then way there and sing she can. Bam, dance floor. Yeah, in front of the bar. And she can there so play her game and watch her movie with her friend them and order a drink. If she want to look at live music, she can get look at live music. You know what I put here some? I gotta put somebody where can come tell her some joke and make her laugh, give her joke and bust out her belly, you see me? So make me find you know which guitar she have? She have this guitar, come like the guitar here. I want her to have the comedy something. I see it, yeah. I want her to have the comedy something. I want her to hire people to come tell joke. To give her a joke and them way there. Alright, bam, like how we have it over so. Alright, we can come back to it now. We'll come back to this area when we're ready for adding more. I want to rotted mansion this, you know, people. So the mansion here alone, gonna take me a while just to sort out. Alright, so make we go down now. Alright, what we have over here, so my kitchen is Bumbo clat, I want bar. Watch out. Good day. I want bar this. Alright, here what? The bar. Nah, no space. To do it. Alright. Here what we are gonna do. We're gonna shove down everything cause everything too close. I'm gonna like how them so close. More make sure the bar people them can do what them have to do. I want rotted bar this, you know. Pussy clots. And put up the wall them so they can see. Them not a speaker in here. Fuck it. I put one of them here. One rotted box of beat out the sound. Yeah. One rotted box of beat out the sound for them. I'll put up the box then. If you want to hear. You must can hear. Yeah. Alright, good day. Bam. We have the bar. Everybody can come on here and drink and play the music. Yeah. Watch the bar, people. Girl, I live rich life. What you mean? Double tap up the screen, people. How would this Tina baby? Lavish, pick up yourself. One rotted bar that she have in her house, you know, about 3 bars she have in her house so far. Three bar. Give me a second, my people. They say one rotted mansion, the girl up up top there. Watch out, look on bar number 3, that's enough people. Tina baby, big up to everybody who are tuning in, double tap up the screen. One rotted bar, that's enough people. Double tap up the screen for I mean. Put the phone on charge. So, I'm gonna do that for me. I'm gonna drop 3 bar. Yeah, girl. The girl I live pussy clot, lavish life. 3 bar, and this one look like say is a private club. And I know say the girl bossy. And as I say the girl bossy, 3 club girl. Girl bossy a fuck. Yes, I put the phone on charge, so give me a second. I see there. Yes, I say the girl bossy. Alright. I'm a spliff there. Alright, like how she have 3 bar now. Make us see how the kitchen turn. You have some pussy clot fancy. I don't like them little lights, you know, they're ugly as fuck, you know. And cheap and ugly. I'm not like that stove here. She must can do better. Rich girl if you have good stove. Good if you have good blood clot stove. The best. You know what I mean? The fridge there. No, that look pop down. The best fridge if you blood clot have. The most expensive pussy clot fridge if you have. Because good, they must have good food or food not for spoil. So you have espresso machine, you can make waffle on them thing there. Delete that, we don't need that. We want the recipe, what is? Waffle maker. Take off that. Popcorn, girl have everything in this blood clot, you know. Here what you not have. Let me see you not have it. One of them pizza machine here. Come and say I eat a love. And you need some dishwasher. You need a dishwasher. You need both 3 of them to pussy clot. You know this is a bumbo clot house. Yeah, I want a rotted mansion this, you know. About 50 people can live in that house, yeah. About 50 people. So she have 2 pizza machine. She have, I put a hot pot. Yeah, man, I put a hot pot. Yeah, man, I put a hot pot. She have 1 hot pot machine. Sink, 3 washer. 4 washer she have to pussy clot. Waffle machine. Baker. Fridge and them thing there, 2 of. Hold on, you have alarm system. You must have alarm system. You know no fire alarm. Bad thing. You're bad lucky day. Girl, you can't salsa. You can't have your bun down the house. I need you to have 1 alarm system for your house. So I'll put the fire alarm here, so. And we're going to put the wood. I'm going to put the wood feet. White wood feet. So that we suck up all of them something there. She need like a cabinet space. I'm not seeing I know where the cabinet is. I'll put up some cabinet or so. I'm not see where she put it plate them. I that me want know where she put it plate them. Big up yourself, Lavish. Big up to everybody who are tuning in. Big up to who else there here? Tap up your screen and share it live, please, people. Plant them nice door. Okay. Oh, you know what we need? You know what we need? You know what we need? Family recipe. One of them book here. So she can cook up some food and have family time, family recipe and make all them something here. Alright, so make we see what we have now. We have got paint up a place. Alright, so here we're gonna put some wood. I'm gonna put some nice wood down. And then we want that's not bad still. Maybe I'll go for something else, something a little bit lighter. Alright, so make we light up the place now. Light up the place now. It's a ratted kitchen here. I will look a candle that still, you know. But it's alright, because we are set a certain set of liberty. Because she want to live a certain way. She want to live lavish life, rich life, and them way they and thing. You see me? Big up on yourself. Big up to everybody who are tuning in. Alright, who we have? Who we have now? Who we have now? Bumbo clot, what is this? This couldn't be one next bar. Couldn't be one next bar, this. No. I forgot to turn this in one tattoo room or something. No. This couldn't be one next bar, me see. To pussy clot. The girl have one next bar now, people. The girl have one next bar now. Watch out. Delete this. The girl have one next pussy crab bar. Bumbo rascal. Alright, so here what I'm gonna do. Because I'm gonna turn this in our business room here. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this in our business room. So what we're gonna do is what is fireplace? Yeah, left a fireplace to this one. So everybody can stay warm. I want to move this though. I want to move this. Cause I want to delete all of that. Cause I want to put one tattoo shop, yes. And that may I say the girl have to turn this in our club. She have to go make her start her business and turn this in our club, you know. I forgot make her start a business and turn this in our club and one place where they can come get tattoo or something like that. Manners. That me I forgot though with Goody. Turn Goody and I want tattoo artist. I make her run club and all them something they can run the bar because I be here bar. Me I forgot call her Barbara. Our color room is alright, pink room. Pink blood clot room. Alright, so I'm gonna put one tattoo bed there, so I'm gonna have a couple of artists. One next tattoo bed there, so just can have two artists. Alright. Over here, so I'm gonna put the plant over so in the corner. She always have a nice plant though. Alright, we're gonna make this one like a place for them to sit down. So they can wait for their tattoo and then tattoo a bill. You can just find like a place for bill and one off one spliff and them thing there while them wait, you see me? I like that little boots here. The pink one I did so bam. Yeah, so they can just come in and sit down there so. And just wait for them to get tattoo. Now go where the tattoo something. Where the trolley there. Tattoo trolley. You have to put our two them. Bam. Alright, she need a sketch pad because here was she's an artist and an artist need a sketch pad. Both of them, cause we are gonna need two of them because two artists are going here. So we need one little ticket boats. So them come take up them ticket and pay them blood clot money. Here you can't come here and think say you will get nothing for free, dog. Right, so the ticket you can't enter till you pay and drop it $1. What you mean? What is this? Couldn't be one next bar. Delete. Get good, you have so much bar on top of blood clot bar. She have bar in a tattoo room. What is? One coffin this? Pussy clots. Which room this? This must be the back room. I know what I can do with this back room here. Cause she a vampire, so must can do something with that back room there. Alright, goodie. Come make a light up a place. Alright, pull it for light in a place, you know. Then watch your people. See club here. Me did tell you say she have one club, you know. Me did tell you no say she have one club. So here what we are gonna do. We go feature them. Come on, want her when the people them come and sit down nice. I see club here, people. Yeah, see club here. So two people them can sit down this. Alright, we need to color this. We need to paint the wall them. So this are the pink room. Want something nice. Or something different. Different, you know, is always good. It was so over. So I look for something. Now the pink room, pink room, pink room. Ah, no. I wanted pink. Yeah, see it there. And she a vampire, so you know. She can host events at our school. Simstagram influencer. Bomboclad. That me I say she a Simstagram influencer. Yeah, girl. You love it. You see how you go. You see the program. Mafia Princess, big up to everybody who are tuning. Continue to run up your likes, them people, and tap up your screen. Please and thanks. Alright, like how goody they are so. No, we're gonna paint up that wall here. I want it to have like a Halloween theme. No, I don't like them there. I like the web them. Ah, yeah. Some futuristic. Bam! Got the club. Say club, yeah. Bam. What's the matter, baby? Come open the door. Yeah, blood clot? Blood clot. These are peas. No, sir. That have to treat. You have to cleanse the blood. So you need something for thin out the blood naturally. So you need bitters. Bitters always thin out the yarrow. Yarrow. Yeah, it's a bitters. And you clean the womb and everything. Same thing in prostate. Him definitely need it. Prostate. Yeah, that will cleanse the blood and the prostate. All him need to do is drink the most twice a week, no sugar, one cup this size. No more than that. Once a day. This is the size of a regular teacup. Alright? You don't need no big or something. You just need something yourself to fill up your mouth 2 times. Alright? You just need a regular cup. No, you can't put no sugar in there because you can't see. So, no sugar, no honey, nothing in there. Just boil it down till the water change color. Once the water change color, YARROW. Yarrow. Just take a bush and make it boil till the water change. Same place where we go. The same herb shop where we go. Online, you can order it online, Amazon. Just type in Yarrow and him order the amount when you want. Order the amount when you want, and then when you get it, tell them to boil it till the water change color. Take it off by fire. When it cool, you don't have to drink it cold, but when it warm, make sure no sugar. Then yeah.
I'm telling an American person you should put something to stop blood clots because he doesn't eat red meat like that.
May I tell you what to do? Him need the yarrow. Give him the yarrow, the 1 cup. Tell him only drink it 2 times a week. The most. If he drink it more than that, he will thin out his blood. He will cause issues. And make sure you drink whole heap of water. And then after him drink it, make sure the food where him gonna yam, him have whole heap of green vegetable in them. Dark leafy green vegetable because you want to build back up your blood. Alright, you want to cleanse it and then build it up. For charging blood clot. Yes, people, welcome to my game. Nika, go on, girl. Nicolto, girl, big up yourself, Lavish. Big up to everybody who are tuning in. User, alright. So we change the background. Manners, we'll change the ground too. We'll change the floor. Some nice wood. It's a green ground. So fuck it, we'll do the whites. White on the whites. Yes. Alright. So these are the club people. So see the club here. Oh, hold on. So we can spin the room. See the club there. See the bar. And then we're there and thing. We want to put some lights in there now. Actually, we don't need no light. I see the light them here. See the light them here. I see the DJ have light and them way there. Alright. So upstairs we're gone. Upstairs, upstairs, upstairs. So this is where people can come upstairs. And so when them come upstairs, them can come over here to the next bar, to the private bar, the jazz club, or you can come to the comedy club, and you can hear people like give you beer joke and make your belly bust up. Or you can hear some live music. Then if you come over here up on the bedroom side, then we have a private living room, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, 1 next rotted bedrooms, 1 next bedroom, 4 bedroom, that's 1 bathroom. I go build 1 next bathroom though, because we can't live in our rotted mansion, so I just have 1 bathroom with all of them people here in our house, and we don't want them in our bathroom. Yeah. So I could go downstairs, double tap up a screen, people. Please and thanks, Funny Go, Sharon. Big up to everybody that tune in. So we have a kitchen down here, and the kitchen have whole heap of things, everything where you could have need in the kitchen. You would have to say a restaurant that. We have 1 next private club. Well, this is not really a private club. This is a tattoo room. So if Miss Sims them want come get tattoo and them weird and thing, them can come sit down and play with the fireplace and come get a drink and them weird. And then here what? If after them done get tattoo, then can jump and come straight to the club. I don't know what I call the club yet, but we can see where it go. I don't even know where I put over here so in the courtyard. Because this is a courtyard, you know, people. Because this is a pool, you know, people. Or a rotted pool, this, you know. It's an open courtyard, this. So, see bathroom here. 1 next bathroom here. This are the side gym. She have 1 gym. And them have the shower and 2 toilets. So, you know, 1 next set of bathroom. If the people them want to use the bathroom, they can come in at the gym and use the bathroom. Them not have to come upstairs. No, you don't have to come upstairs. Yeah, you don't have to come upstairs. If you put 1 sink in there still, because I don't want the people them to come. If you put 1 sink in there. You know, so I should have put 1 sink in there. Watch out. Good clots. What that's? Alright. Now this back room, yeah, so I not even know what I'm gonna do with the back room, yeah, so. I feel like some if you just put all of the coffin them. So for all of the vampire them when I sleep in a bed and them way there. Like when my family members them come. And my family members them come through them through, you know, them have them ways. I have to make sure they're comfortable. I don't know when I put the picking in them, you know. I don't know where them I go, but I'll put this also. Yeah, alright. So see the first coffin there. And see the next one there. We're gonna have all of the vampire then back here, so. So anybody wanna come back here, so you're gonna get Nyam out your blood clots. Take off your head. I turn you in a vampire, you know, said we. Bam, see it there. Alright, 4 coffin for the vampire them. I don't know. I'd kill for a home gym. Me know lavish. The way how this a gym and this a mansion. I go on, me I say pussy cloud and rotted house this, you know. Me not never build my house so big in a real life. Me not gonna lie to you. Me don't want a house so big in a real life. Cause me feel like say too much. Me feel like say too much. By the time me for reach all the way for left from the gym, for go all the way over here so go a club, me might as well tap. Can me do the workouts? Might as well jump in at the pool and go sit down. Kind of make no sense. And watch one whole room when me not do this whole section right here so we can put something else in there. I'm not even know what me I gonna put in there. Me goodly I'll put the picking them down here so in this here for them section and just make this the kids room them and for them bathroom. And just block off here so and make turn this in a one door. Block off your so that way the picking them can have them privacy and them wear their thing. I that me I forgot though. But since good enough breed, you know, and she not pre no picking them. She have her tree them where she can name from, cause them here are fruit tree, you know. Vampire fruit tree them, you know. Alright. So true, me want good if you have some whole heap of things to do. Me want her to have whole heap of things. Remember say over here so she can go camping, you know. And she can name and drink and make her like a pizza and light her like a fire and them weird there. Well, every room need to have a garbage. What the blood clot me I do? Every room need to have a garbage. Go back in the kitchen. Go back in the kitchen. Every room to have a blood clot garbage. Recycling. Right, so. Every room to have garbage. What's up? What a nasty. Every room to have garbage bin. All your toe. Especially in this room. Whole heap of garbage for the whole heap of garbage bin for the in this blood clot room, yeah, so I'll put one over here. Over there, so I'll put one here, so too. 3 garbage bins, so nobody can say them never see with the garbage there. All uno too, vampire them, uno must have garbage bin in our room. Nastiness. We not keep up with it. Alright.